A friend of mine had been following a woman on Facebook. Now, she's an older lady who gives health tips, and my friend thought she was real. Then she saw in the comments that someone said, "This is AI." So she sent me a screenshot, and I took it and I made a video that was talking back to my friend. So I think nowadays we all need to have a really healthy dose of skepticism, because I want to show you how easy it is for someone to create something that looks pretty real. Right, so here's a screenshot that my friend sent me of that Facebook account. I went into the AI video app and uploaded the image. First, I asked it to create a clean image without all the text from the phone. The prompt I used was, create an image of this woman sitting facing forward, smiling in the same position and location as she currently is. Remove any text and the phone icons, etc. It should just be the woman sitting in a field. Now I've sped this up a bit so you don't have to watch the image processing. Then I wrote a short prompt describing what I wanted her to say to my friend. It was something like this: make the woman talk in English but with an elderly Sicilian accent. She should say, "Hi Angie, what are you up to this evening? Are you watching crappy TV or chatting to your friend?" Now I sped up the video again so you don't have to watch it processing.
Hi Angie, what are you up to this evening? Are you watching crappy TV or chatting to your friend?
Well, that took me less than 10 minutes from start to finish. I'm not convinced she's got a Sicilian accent, but she looks pretty realistic. Now I'm showing you this just so you can see what's possible, not to teach anyone how to use it for deception, but once you know how easy this is to do, it makes you much more cautious about what you believe. Until fairly recently, you could kind of spot an AI video. There'd be little giveaways, weird hands, strange movements, something suddenly changing. But now it is getting better and better by the day. And I don't even know if I've been fooled now. I mean, my friend sent me a video that she thought was fake and was AI, and I thought was real. So it's so hard to tell. So what exactly can you do about it? I mean, I think the first thing is always be skeptical. Because if someone came up to you in the street and they offered you this amazing deal, you'd never met them before, you're not going to believe them and you're not going to go for it. And I think we have to take that same idea into account when we do things online. And that Facebook page my friend was following has got nearly 1 million followers. So you can't go by how many followers someone's got to whether that is real or not. Because some of these fake accounts actually do better than the real ones. I think more if you look into it, you might see people saying stuff like, "Oh, this is AI." Or you'll see if there's genuine comments going backwards and forwards between the account holder and the actual people. But then you've still got to be wary even then, because it might be someone just managing that account. Third, go directly to the source. So there's loads of fake Martin Lewis videos. Now he's a celebrity who's all about money saving. So instead of just believing what you see online, go directly to the Martin Lewis website. Is the offer there? Does it exist for real, or is this just another scam? And fourth, use AI to check if something's likely to be fake or real. So you can take a screenshot of an advert you see, upload it to ChatGPT or Gemini and say, is this likely to be real, or is this probably a scam? And see what it says. Now, none of this is foolproof, but it can save you a lot of heartache if you just do a few checks first. Now, not all AI video is a problem. Some of it is actually quite funny. Or you also get stuff where they're now using it to create films and adverts. I'm sure lately I've seen some adverts that are using AI. The problem comes when it's someone trying to deceive you with it, like trying to get money out of you or trying to get details out of you, in a kind of scammy, slimy way. So you don't need to be totally paranoid, just have some awareness and don't automatically believe everything you see, because it is so easy to create these videos now. If this is the kind of practical AI tips that you like, then please subscribe. And I also have a newsletter, links below, and I will see you in the next one.